What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into the Neewer CM28 Pro wireless mic system. And I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I went into this expecting kind of typical budget mic performance, but what I found completely changed my thoughts on what you can get for under $100. Let's start with what came in the box, because this is where Neewer really surprised me. You get two transmitters, not one, two. You get the receiver with a crystal clear LCD display. You get a charging case. It's not just for storage, but it actually extends your battery life. And you get every cable you could possibly need. We're talking TRS to Lightning for the older phones, TRS to USB-C for the newer phones and the Androids, TRS to TRS for cameras, and even USB-A to USB-C for the data transfer. Most companies would charge extra just for these accessories. The build quality feels super solid. These aren't plastic toys. The transmitters weigh just 18 grams each. That's lighter than most earbuds. And the magnetic clips, game changer. They snap on securely and don't damage your clothes like the traditional clips sometimes can. Now, let's kind of talk about what makes this special. First, the 4 gigabyte internal storage on each transmitter. This means you can record up to 9 hours of uncompressed 48 kilohertz audio directly to the mic itself. So think about what this means. Even if your wireless connection drops, you're still recording. That's peace of mind that you cannot put a price on. The one-click noise cancellation really does work. I tested it actually on a busy street right here by my office, and it filtered out a lot of the traffic noise without making my voice sound super robotic. The 70-foot range claim, okay, a little bold, but when I tested it in a clear line of sight for the full distance, I got a solid performance at about 30 feet plus, which is more than enough for any real world scenario where you're shooting. Battery life is impressive, 9 hours on the receiver, 8 hours per transmitter, and the charging case gives you full 2 recharges. That's potentially 24 hours of recording time before you need to find an outlet. But specs on paper, they don't mean anything if it doesn't perform in the real world. So I put this through my standard wireless mic test. Indoor performance, excellent. Clean, warm audio, no interference. For outdoor testing, I use the little windscreens or windshields. They actually do work, so that means no more unusable audio because of a breeze. The noise cancellation, like I said, handled background noise better than I expected. I even tested the multi-device recording feature. You can connect this to your camera and your phone simultaneously. Record your main content on your camera while getting a backup recording or even a vertical version for social media. It's like having a dedicated audio engineer managing multiple feeds. That's incredible. Like I said, under $100. So how does this stack up against the competition? So on this channel, you've probably seen it. I've tested Sennheiser, I've tested Rode, I've tested Hollyland, and a couple other options in this price range and above. The CM28 Pro gives you more transmitters, more storage, longer battery life, and more accessories than most of the options that are costing 2 to 3 times this. The audio quality is definitely on par with those that are costing $200-300 plus. The only area where more expensive options might have an edge is in extreme range scenarios or very specific professional features that most content creators are never going to use. So let's do this for this next part of the video. We're gonna switch over to using the CM28 Pros for the rest of this video. You'll see me swap it out on my shirt, and then of course running directly to our blogger camera. And of course we've got it running to our blogger camera over there, so we're just gonna swap out real quick. And then from this minute forward, you'll be hearing these actual microphones. Let's do it. Okay, so we swapped it out. So now you can kind of hear the difference. So who should buy this? If you're a content creator or anyone who needs reliable wireless audio without breaking the bank, this one's a no-brainer. The dual transmitter setup makes it perfect for interviews. The internal recording gives you backup security, and the multi-device connectivity means it'll work with whatever gear you have. It's also great for anyone stepping up from built-in camera mics or even wired lavaliers. You'll notice an immediate improvement in audio quality, and you're not gonna outgrow this too quickly. But is it for DJs? And more importantly, can you use it for ceremony audio like I am seeing so many DJs on Instagram and YouTube doing now? Let's go outside and test it out. All right, so we stepped outside. Forgive the noise. We are literally right beside a concrete plant here at my office. But as you can see, we brought out the eVerse 8. We've hooked up the receiver, right, to the back of the eVerse 8. This is the cable that I had NLFX make for me. It's basically like an 1/8 inch to an XLR. Now, they also made me something that we're gonna be the guinea pig on today. 1/8 inch to XLR split. So what we're hoping is we can plug this into the receiver into input 1 and 2 and then we could put one of these on the efficient and one on the groom. So we're gonna test it with the single one first, and then check the range, and then we're gonna try this special cable that Ben made for me to see if it works as well, all right? So let's do the test with just one first. Just grab one. I'm gonna leave this mic on here because that's what's recording the audio. Let's see. So we're just gonna start coming up. I can see the signal already coming in. Up, 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 up. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. All right. Saquon, I'm gonna just have you step over that way, and I'm just gonna start walking, and we can at least check the range. Check, check, 1, 2. Check, check, 1, 2. Hey, 1, 2. Still working. Still working. Check. I can hear it pretty good. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Still got me? Nice. Turn me up a little bit. Check, check. Hey, hey. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mic check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, 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 hey. Wow. Check. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Still going. Still going. Check. Mic check. Still going. Losing it a little bit. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check, 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 check. 1, 2. Mic check. 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Wow. Is this still clean? Dude. 1, 2. Check, check. 3, 4. Hey, yeah. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. I mean, dude. That's range. Right? I mean, that's further than we got with that, I mean, dude, is that impressive? I mean, guys, I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty impressive. Audio quality is not amazing, but you also gotta remember, this is just clipped onto my shirt. Like, if you had a good, or even a decent lavalier mic, and then just put this, you know, on your belt or your pants, or on your back pocket, ran a lavalier up closer to my face, I mean, this could be useful for ceremonies. I don't know that I'm ever gonna get to the point where I trust it, you know, because there's no external antennas or anything like that, but damn, guys, like that, to that dumpster, I mean, Saquon, what is that, 200 feet? At least 200 feet. I mean, and he said all the way back here, I could hear myself all the way down there by the dumpster. We didn't want to blow heads off out here because it's still the middle of the day and people are working, but that's a pretty good test. Okay, so next, let's try this new cable that Ben made where we see if we can do 2 transmitters into the back of the eVerse. Let's go. Okay, so we got the receiver now. I can see both of them on the meter here, so they're both working. I can hear myself a little bit coming through channel 1, but I'm going to take the camera. I'll take the camera this time and start walking. So this is number 2. Test number 2 first. And kill number 1. Yeah, okay, there we go. All right, check. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, we got number 2 is working. We can hear that. Again, we know the range now is probably over 100 feet. 1, 2, 1, 2. Check, check. 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, kill that one. And bring on up number 1. 1, 2, 1, 2. Check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, hey. 1, 2, 1, 2. Check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, we got both of them. So Ben Stokes created a cable, 1/8 inch to split XLR, that will run these little mic packs directly into the back of like an eVerse. So will these work for a ceremony? Looks like so. And honestly, my test on the range is probably, I'm gonna give it 100 feet at least. And I'm pretty blown away. Look, I've been doing this long enough to know that budget gear usually means compromises, but the CM28 Pro feels like Neewer actually listened to what content creators needed and built a system around those needs instead of just hitting a price point. Is it perfect? No, the windshields don't really fit in the charging case, which is a little bit annoying, nor do the cables, but it comes with a little bag. And if you need absolute maximum range and absolutely perfect audio, you might want to spend more and get something else. But for 95% of users, this delivers professional results at a fraction of the cost. At around $100, this just isn't a good budget option. It's legitimately a great wireless mic system, as you saw outside. If you've been putting off upgrading your audio because of cost, well, your excuse just disappeared. These are under $100 on Amazon. I'll put the links in the description where you can check current pricing. Listen, if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest gear reviews, and let me know in the comments what you want me to test out next. Thank you guys for watching new videos every single week, and make sure you are listening to Beyond the DJ Booth podcast as well.